when you go through your friend's flip phone in 2005?
You know, my friend's been acting a little bit strange every time my girlfriend comes over here. Wait, here's his phone. Let me go through it to see what he's been doing. What else is on his messages? He talked to my girlfriend? And they're trying to date? Yep. That was very honorable of me. Better safe than sorry, I guess. Either way, I'm still satisfied. Wait, what are you doing here?
You destroyed my son's flip phone. Now I destroy you. Come here. Don't you ever destroy my son's flip phone ever again. Do you understand me?
Better safe than sorry, I guess. Hey, I was talking.
Mm-hmm.
Either way, I'm still satisfied.
So you destroyed my son's.
No.
What are you supposed to be doing? I'm in the pre-Kers, but those pre-Kers got me. So it's recording. Mm-hmm.
Either way, I'm still satisfied. Wait. Do it again. Wait, what are you doing here?
So you
Wait.
You destroyed my son's flip phone. Now I destroy you. Come here. It's recording.
Wait, hold on. How to stop it and start a new one.
You understand me?
I've been filming this video all day. See, you done lost it.
Okay, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.